Animating filters is really cool, but it can be even cooler if your user controls it. In this video, I'm going to talk about a simple way that you can allow your user to control animating of a filter, or any object for that matter. Just like the blank keyframe we've applied all our actions to. Open it up. I'm just going to erase angle line. And for the blur x value, I'm going to highlight plus equals 10. I'm going to change that value to equal sign, space, underscore, x mouse, all lowercase. X mouse is a property in every Flash movie that determines the X position of where your mouse is on the stage. Yes, there's also a Y mouse. And the values are the same as if you look in your info palette. You roll around. So Flash can keep track of those with ActionScript. And if you put it inside of a function that you're running with set interval, it updates that automatically. So that's what we're doing here. So you have blur x is equal to the position of the X mouse. Test that movie. You'll see, you go to the right, it gets blurry, and go to the left, it gets clearer. You can also do that with the Y mouse. If I select that line of code, I copy it, I paste it in the next line, change the blur x to blur y, underscore X mouse to underscore Y mouse. Test the movie. That's pretty sweet. So what if you want more control over it? I know you're thinking, that's kind of lame if all you can do with the X mouse and Y mouse is have everything look sharp when you're at the top left corner. When you go towards the object, it gets blurry. You actually have a ton of control over that. You just kind of got to get creative and use a little bit of math. Like I can say X mouse divided by 2. See the difference? X blur scales a little more slowly. It still blurs all the way to the end. Or you can say times 2, or you can say put this in parentheses, and add the square root of 76, or whatever you want. So you kind of got to get a little creative on that one to figure out how all that works, and I'll leave that up to you. That's just a simple way to allow your user to interact with animating your filters, and not only can you apply the X mouse and Y mouse to filters, you can obviously apply them to any animation that you create with ActionScript.